Here's how I sneak a salad's worth of microgreens into any meal. Starting with a whole wheat bread from the Boulder, Colorado bakery, Moxie Bread. I'm making a banana almond butter toast with a twist. I'm on a quick break between meetings, so my priority is speed, taste, and health. I can make this in under 5 minutes and get some healthy fats, protein, carbs, and nutrients. Just 4 organic ingredients: bread, banana, almond butter, and freeze-dried microgreens. Just 2 teaspoons of these dried microgreens is equal to 2 cups of leafy greens, and you won't even be able to taste them. That's how you sneak a salad's worth of microgreens into any meal. Order your freeze-dried microgreens today.